Seriously? Cut that part out.
Lead one's kind of
hold together.
Yeah, these things just fell apart.
Oh yeah, the polymer tip smashes inside that thing and it makes it explode. Yeah.
Back's got some punch outs. This is fun. This is good steel for this cartridge.
Yeah.
It really is. For the 5.7, this is good stuff.
Yeah, that's what I figured it would be. It's something you could put like 5.7 or handgun rounds.
Yeah, even handgun's gonna be a little. But
let's see what 40 does in a second.
These are great. Oh, you're gonna try the 40? Let's do that last since it's loud.
Yeah, yeah.
So what were the ones that you just did?
We did the first one. The first type of 5.7 we did was 27 grain lead free. Then we followed it up with the 40 grain VMAX. The lead free seemed to hold together when they hit their target. The VMAX seemed to explode instantly on impact. Did it again.
Magazine?
Maybe it's
Here.
I almost forget which one's a good one anymore.
This is a good one. That's a bad one.
Yeah.
I think it's the 27 grain stuff though versus the 40 grain maybe with the can.
Maybe. Maybe it's just.
Make sure the mag well's cleared up.
Maybe I'll try it without this too. Maybe it could be a combination of the can and this.
Try this next, see what happens.
Doesn't seem to be a problem.
Yeah, 27s don't like the suppressor, it seems.
Too much?
I guess.
Too fast?
I have no idea.
Interesting. Might be too fast. Interesting. Interesting.